Hi, my name is Bianca Eisler. This is Sophia Eisler. Sophia was born with congenital CMV that caused a lot of calcification on her brain that ended up causing cerebral palsy and epilepsy, amongst other things. We were actually given to a DAP shot from our PT because they wanted us to see them for her sitting positions. She has low tone in her neck and her back, so she wasn't able to sit up properly by herself. The chair that they made for her, we went a couple times in about 2-week period, and for a couple hours that I actually got to know them very, very well. They fit really well with our little daughter. As you can see, she's kind of amazing, and the staff is amazing. So with the chair, she's actually gotten better, over 30% in her strength. We'll continue to see them. Right now we're actually back because the chair is getting a little bit smaller, so it's time for a bigger chair, but I can see us in the future probably for the rest of my daughter's life being part of them, and I can't thank them enough, the whole staff, including American Furniture Warehouse, for everything that you've done for my family, but most importantly my daughter Sophia. So thank you.